Where am I and where am I going? I'm over at Makati City, Rockwell. Just finished work. This is what I do for a living. A couple of people have been asking. People who are new to the channel, they don't know that one of my jobs is that I'm a personal fitness trainer. Yep, that's what I do, kids. I'm a fitness trainer. I train all the MILFs of Manila. Or the Matronas of Manila. You can take your pick. No, don't tell them. Shh, don't tell them I said that. Yeah, but anyway, I train some of the most awesome women in this country privately, so I don't work in a gym. You know, like when celebrities have like a celebrity personal trainer and woohoo, that's all across the street. So yeah, you know how like celebrities have personal fitness trainers who go to their homes and make a fitness regimen, wake you up, and it's like, come on, get on the treadmill. I have a nice private home gym, that sort of thing. That's what I do in the daytime. Pretty much how I can afford my life. Apart from my band, of course, there's my band where I get all the music for the vlog. So if you like the music on the vlog, please check out my band page or just search for Flying Ipis here on YouTube. So now that I'm done with work, I'm off to do another errand. I mentioned before that I wanted to get some custom work done on 21, and that's been like a year ago. No, maybe a couple of months ago. I usually just like to let it run the course of 1 year before I do custom work, because you know it has warranty. You want to at least run it for 1 year and make sure there are no glitches and hitches before you start tampering with the bike itself. So after 1 year and 1 month, I'm quite sure that my Duke is doing me solid work, and now I get to go over and get some mods done. Yeah! It's amazing how these messengers can go with such big boxes on their tails. So it's about time that I did work on 21, and just in time because KTM Philippines is celebrating its 2nd year anniversary, and together with their 2nd year anniversary is a custom KTM contest. And yes, like I did mention, you will be up against my bike. I was supposed to get a paint job. I can't find a painter who's available. I wanted to get a couple of things done, but due to time constraints, I won't be able to do stuff. I won't be able to do it. So I'll just get whatever I can done. You know, no use like stressing myself out and rushing it. It's just my personal bike. Anyway, the main reason I get them custom done is because I like the way it looks. First thing on my list, I am headed over to Orion. Orion, it sounds so cool. I'm going to Orion, to infinity and beyond. On Facebook, you will find them as facebook.com/Orion Muffler Shop, where I got my cat delete. People are asking why did I get my cat delete. Because I was told it was gonna lessen the heat. Maybe that's why my bike is also very bearable. Oh, like, yeah, I told you, right? So I'm a personal fitness trainer, and that's why I ride in gym togs, yoga pants, tights, leggings, whatever you want to call them, men in tights. If I'm just going to work, I'm in gym clothes. The heat is fine. Look, yoga pants. You see that? It's as good as wearing shorts. The material is so thin, it doesn't do anything to dissipate heat. For the guys asking if it's hot, no bullshit, man. Yoga pants! You want me to ride in shorts and tell you what it feels like? If you find the bike hot, there's only one thing I can say, man, is you're a pussy. I'm gonna stop by and get some puto. Yo puto! Over here in White Plains, if you like the puto calasiao, it's super good. You can get here This is the puto that I like. You know, puto is like a bad word in Mexico, where I ride sometimes. Hey, puto! But here, puto is, it's a deliciously sweet rice cake. That's what it is. And we make different kinds of puto in different regions in this country. Oh, here. There, puto. It's 45 pesos a bag. Meron yung puti lang. Okay, I like just the... Huh? Di na? So I pretty much just like the white one. Because there's kutsinta there. Puto and kutsinta. Kutsinta is... I don't know what it's made of. Thank you. That's what they look like. But that's a very low-res photo. See, I'm in my gym tights right now and my ankles are exposed, but I'm doing fine. There is no heat going on. I don't want to stick so much to like smoke belching individuals. I noticed that I've been getting sick when I inhale too much fumes. Back on my way to Orion, so I've been saving and slaving for an Akrapovich racing pipe, but turns out I don't like the way they look. The ones that they have for this model, the KTM Duke 390. I saw something that I liked by a different brand. I just messaged JP. JP is Mr. Orion. I messaged him and I asked him for a custom exhaust. And we're off to get something customized. Woohoo! Trying to remember my way there. Okay, whip out the trusty phone. Okay, I'm in the right spot. People ask me if I worry about my phone getting stolen. You know, I have faith in the human race and in the Filipino people to not steal my phone. And by the way, Mr. Orion said that he's got a new waiting lounge. Wow, I'm so proud of you, dude. It was just like a year ago since I got the cat delete, and like now you have like an air-conditioned waiting lounge. Sweet. I guess I am gonna just chill in the waiting lounge today and show you my custom pipe. Yeah! Where is it? It's here. Yes! Oh, there it is. Woohoo! Look at him. He's ready and waiting. Hello! Yay! So this is the guy who did my cat delete before. And we have like a Ducati Monster here. Will you lend me your Ducati Monster while I go around? And looks like they have another bike here which they'll be working on. It's a BMW R90. Sige. Yes, may office. Okay, let's go see the new lounge. Hi! Time to see the new lounge of JP over here. Wow! This is the office, and look, we have a CVR 1000RR. Sweet! BMW and a Hyper Motard Orion Performance. Yes. Are we ready for war? So ready for war. Okay, good. Recording pa rin ah. Recording pa rin. Ano plano? Ano yung end niya?
Yung parang doon yung pinakita mo na this.
Parang cone. Actually, okay lang yung straight.
Yung diretsong bilog.
Oo. Yung parang pakita nga ng cone. Kaya yung yung ganito.
Nakarating ka na, nasa kanan.
Uy.
Destinasyon.
Yes. Sorry.
Ayun nga, actually medyo conical pa.
Tapos black. Tsaka Orion.
Yeah.
Yan!
Okay, we're over here at Orion Muffler Shop and we're discussing what we're gonna do to my bike. Yay! What's up, JP?
Hello.
So I want a high mount custom Orion exhaust. They're just worried about my signal lights. Is my pipe gonna have fire?
Yeah, we have a backfire.
Okay, so it's gonna be like
It will be here.
until there. Okay, sakto na yan.
Tapos pagkatamaan si signal light.
And if I put Kellerman's, pwede dito or here.
Hindi na siya hindi na siya natamaan.
Okay, so I have to tell the guys who are mounting my Kellerman's. Okay.
Yeah, siyempre sayang Kellerman.
Sayang ang Kellerman.
So, iwasan natin. So we will put we'll have a tail tidy here and then we'll mount the exhaust here.
Yes, let's go. Get rid of this ugly thing.
Medyo ganito siya. Parang semi-conical.
Okay. Okay.
Tapos shorter ba gusto mo pa?
Yeah.
Pero saktuhan lang natin kasi baka super loud na.
Okay.
The more shorty,
The
the
louder.
loudest talaga.
Oh, sige.
This
Pero-
titanium.
Titanium na yan?
It's very
Titanium.
lightweight.
Wow. I met new friends at JP's shop. Hey. What's up?
Ayun, nabubuno.
He's getting a titanium pipe. And this is what it looks like. This is the shit that turns like purple and blue when it's hot. And it's so light. This is the old pipe. It's way heavier. Okay, my bike's next. Nice sandals, JP. We are over at Orion Muffler Shop. You can find them on Facebook.com/Orion Muffler Shop. And this is JP, Mr. Orion himself. He's gonna fire up the bike for our first sound test. Let's go!